friends, and a warm welcome to IFAS platform. Dear aspirants, again with a new success story. And आज हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं वर्षा विजय कुमार, who has secured All India rank 25 in GATE Biotechnology. Yes, hearing it correct, GATE Biotechnology All India rank 25. किस तरह से उनकी प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी थी, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस फेस करे, एंड साथ ही साथ जर्नी कैसे रही, उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, आगे क्या करना चाहेंगी, and how she can motivate you people out there watching us. Let's discuss with her journey. Hello Varsha, and an heartiest congratulations to you, dear.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So how you are feeling, All India rank 25?
I'm very much happy and also grateful for everyone who has helped me through this journey.
Great Varsha. So whom would you like to credit your success to, basically?
Definitely my family, my mom, dad, and my sister, and also to all the teachers at IFAS.
Okay, dear. So right now, before beginning with the casual discussion, let our audience or viewers know you. Please introduce yourself, dear.
Hi everyone, I am Varsha Vijay Kumar. I reside at Thrissur, Kerala. I finished my BTech in Biotechnology from Sahagya College of Engineering and Technology. And then I appeared for GATE and I secured All India rank 25.
Okay, means आपने बीटेक बायोटेक्नोलॉजी करा है, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. आगे गेट एग्जामिनेशन दिया और फिर आपने गेट को ही क्यों चूज करा? Since see, you are a BTech student, BTech in biotechnology. In itself, you can get a job profile anywhere. You will fit into many things. But why GATE?
As we all know, GATE is a very prestigious national level exam, and which is also a portal for postgraduate education admission, engineering admission, sorry. So I wanted to enroll in a very prestigious institute in our country itself for my MTech. That's why I decided to do GATE.
Okay.
GATE is a very prestigious national level exam, and it is also a portal for postgraduate engineering admission. So I wanted to enroll myself in a very premium institute in our country itself for my MTech admission. So that's why I decided to apply to GATE.
Okay, Varsha. So like definitely you will be happy on the 9th cloud कि हाँ मेरी All India rank 23 आ गई है. So अब आपके कौन से ड्रीम इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं जिसमें आप जाना चाहेंगी?
Ma'am, for now my dream is to get into a really good institute, and
whether
I want
whether it is IIT, whether it is NIT, or do you want bioprocess engineering, biomedical engineering? What would you prefer?
Ma'am, actually I need both. I want to get into an IIT and also do my MTech in bioprocess engineering. So if I get both.
Okay, your both choices are nice. Fine, that's okay. All the best to you. Moving
Thank
on,
you.
Varsha. कैसे जर्नी स्टार्ट करी IFAS के साथ आपने?
Actually, when I planned to do GATE, I had got some guides and I started studying. Then I actually came across IFAS through the YouTube videos, and I found it very much helpful and also tailor-made for the syllabus of GATE, and that's how I decided to join IFAS.
Okay. So what you like, I will say, what you did something extra which bagged your rank. ठीक है, इट इज डेफिनेटली कुछ तो एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत की गई थी, क्योंकि लेक्चर्स तो रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स बहुत सारे बच्चे लेते हैं, वो लोग देखते भी हैं. आपने प्रैक्टिस अगेन एंड अगेन क्या किया?
I think the first thing which I did was to have my personal notes for each and every topic. So even though we had notes from IFAS, I did my personal notes, and I did frequent revisions. Like first, it was very overwhelming with all the syllabus and everything, but I planned my days and I stuck to it meticulously. I made sure that I gave minimum 13 hours a day for GATE preparation.
Okay.
And I did my revisions, and I also made sure that I had my basics covered. And I think that's what helped me to get this.
Okay, so how much percentage of syllabus did you cover for the examination?
I could cover almost 80% of the syllabus. And for the rest of the syllabus which I couldn't cover, I made sure that I looked into which are the important topics and questions from those topics. Like from the previous year questions, I referred all those, and I just studied only that for which I couldn't cover.
Okay. So moving on, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं वर्षा, वास्ट सिलेबस था, प्रिपेयर भी करना था, अप्स एंड डाउन्स, कहीं ऐसा भी पॉइंट आया होगा कि बहुत ही डिमोटिवेटेड फील करते हो कि हो पाएगा या नहीं, अपने सेल्फ बिलीफ या सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस पे भी एक क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है, एम आई केपेबल टू डू इट और नॉट, हाउ यू ओवरकम दैट?
What you said is very much true, ma'am. Like there were many moments where I felt demotivated and I also thought I couldn't do this. But I told myself like I should never quit. And that even though I made many mistakes, I picked myself up and I kept my eye on the D-Day. I told myself like if I made a mistake now, I can learn from this so that I don't make the same mistake when the actual entrance comes. So it was just for one day. So I just kept myself going and I motivated myself, and I had my family also who supported me. So that's how I did it.
Great, Varsha. So like, yeah, definitely there are ups, there are downs. You need to keep push yourself each and every day that yes, you can do better. So if I generally ask, there will be lot amount of, like I will say, distractions, right from the new web series to the functions or the festivities. How you managed everything?
Okay. So I actually stopped going for everything and I just dedicated myself for gate preparation. Like for the A-list things, if I had to go, then I did. Otherwise, I just focused on my studies. And like you have to give that time. Only then you can achieve this success.
That
And
is true.
yeah, I did all that. I just kept all that away for my future.
Okay. And what about like the Insta, the Snapchat, then the WhatsApp? That also, like, again, do not forget the Facebook. That also takes a lot amount of time. So how you managed that? Yeah, you totally cut off yourself from that thing, that I don't want to use these apps only, or did you manage to use the apps in a limited amount of time?
For social media, I uninstalled every app from my mobile. And even when I'm studying, like it is important that you take break also.
Right.
So that I used to watch some YouTube videos or such, just for relaxation. But in case of social media and everything, I completely quit everything.
ओके, लाइक हाँ, बिल्कुल कट ऑफ कर दिया था ताकि आपका जो डायरेक्शन है, प्रिपरेशन का टाइम है, वो कहीं भी कट ऑफ ना हो फालतू की चीज़ों में. ग्रेट, बहुत ज़रूरी है हमें सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन रहना किसी भी एग्जामिनेशन की प्रिपरेशन के लिए. सो कितने क्वेश्चंस आपने अटेम्प्ट किए थे?
Out of I had attempted nearly 50 to 55 questions.
Okay.
And ones which I'm really sure of. So I didn't want any negative marking. So I didn't get even one negative mark for my case.
Great. You did not get any one negative mark.
No.
That's
like the one made the mistake were either a NAT question or multiple choice.
Okay. MSQ, fine. Means like in a, that's great. You have to work towards your accuracy. This is what this sentence means कि जितना आप accurate होंगे, जितना बेहतर होगा, उतना अच्छा होगा. Which are like, अगर मैं बात करती हूँ, syllabus बहुत बड़ा है. कभी हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो थक जाते हैं. सो वर्षा, लाइक विच वर योर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स दैट यू थॉट कि नहीं, मैं इस पर तो गेट एग्जाम में रैंक ला ही सकती हूँ?
Definitely my strength was bioprocess engineering. Like I have to give a special mention to Rishabh sir from IFAS. Like without him, I think I couldn't have actually achieved this mark.
Right.
Like the bioprocess part was the main strength of mine. Like I could solve many numericals, and that too has like the most weightage for gate exam. So bioprocess and also the basics such as biochemistry, then genetics, immunology, all this were my strength.
Great. Also, Varsha, moving on, like you prepared, you did well, you have a result, you have plans, all that is fine. But in if we talk about in a long course of whatever we are doing, we always admire some person, some, like I will say, even it can be our parents, it can be friends, it can be some role models like Swami Vivekananda ji, like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam ji, whom we admire and would like to imbibe some qualities from them. So who is the role model in your life?
My role model has to be my parents.
Okay.
They're the ones who taught me not to quit in any situation. Like they live by example. So they are my role models, my parents, my mom and my dad.
Okay, that's fine. And those students who are preparing or seeing you right now, the viewers, what would you like to convey to them?
My message would be that hard work always pays off. Like if you put your mind to it, you can always achieve success. So if you're preparing for GATE, even like I said, that should be your main goal and your focus, and give everything. How much ever, give you 100%, and you will definitely get it.
Okay, and if I talk about what should be their preparation strategy, like you have qualified, that's good, but to the students who are seeing you, what should be their preparation strategy or a final success mantra from you to them?
The first thing I would like to say is don't keep anything for the last minute. If you are trying for an entrance, you have to prepare from the beginning. Like from day one, you should give your 100%.
Right.
So from day one, if you give your 100%, make your own notes and do frequent revisions. Like even though you study it for once, you will think that okay, you know everything. But after 1 month, when you're going to the same subject, you won't be thorough. So you have to do frequent revisions. You have to make a plan and a schedule and give yourself enough time to revise, do questions. That is the main thing. Like you have to try out questions. Only then you will be able to perform on the entrance.
Okay. So Varsha, like you have to be consistent, right?
Yes.
We can say in short and sweet words that you need to be consistent. And like again and again, if I say you have to be true, you have to be honest with your preparation, then only results come into your favor. And then again, I will say, Varsha, congratulations to you. Here we would like to end the interview. Again, we wish you from complete IFAS family all the best for your all future endeavors, dear.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, so here we had Varsha with us, who has secured All India Rank 25 in GATE Biotechnology, and she has clearly mentioned that there is no substitute to hard work. Dear aspirants, पढ़ते रहिए, smart study करिए, and stay connected with IFAS. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone, and happy learning.